Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Angel. In this video, we're gonna talk about the lavalier mic by the company Deity. They sent this to me, so let's take a look at it and see what it's all about. Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about the microphone by Deity. It's a Lav Mic. It's a lavalier microphone for your voiceovers or for your recordings. So let's get to it. Alright, so what's in the box? First, you get this guy right here. It's a little pouch where the lavalier mic comes. And inside, you also get a little wind filter. It looks like a rabbit's ear. A rabbit's butt. Alright, so you get this little nice pouch. Okay, then what else? Alright, so here's the microphone. I already opened it, so that's what it looks. Not as nice as before, but hey, that's what it is for. So once you untangle it, so this guy is 5 meters long, which is good and it's also bad, at least in my opinion. One, because you do have a good length to even plug it into your DSLR, which is pretty handy. But if you want to plug it into your phone or something that's really close by, you're gonna get stuck with this leftover cable. And yes, you could wrap it around, but that's a little bit tedious. But you know what? That's not a deal breaker because you get all this extra cable. And I think it's when you need it, it's gonna be there. So right here you have the end, and this little compartment right here, you have the battery. I believe it's about 800 hours of recording that you could do with this battery before you have to change it up, which is awesome. So you wonder how this sounds. Right now I'm recording with the Lav Mic Go on the Canon, so I'm kind of a couple feet away from it. So I want to show you how this guy sounds on the iPhone. Alright, so in order to plug it into your phone, what do you need? You need this guy right here. If you have any iPhone 7 or higher, you're gonna need this guy because there's no headphone jack anymore. So you grab this guy, and you can use any recording app that you like. You use the one straight from the phone, Voice Memos I believe it's called, or you can use one that's called Recorder, which I'm gonna be using. Plug this guy in, and it comes with this little clip right here, which looks like it's made out of like hard plastic or metal. Put it in your shirt or wherever you wanna have it. If you wanna hide it, put it underneath your shirt. Alright, so once you open your recording app, go ahead and hit record. You can set it aside and start recording with it. Quick tip, if you're gonna be syncing your audio with your camera, make sure that you do a loud noise so you have a point to recognize on your editing where you can start syncing the video on the audio. Do this, or you could do this. So a loud noise will give you that high noise, and you'll be able to see it on your editing, and that will be the point where you can start editing the clap from the camera with the audio. Otherwise, you can have a hard time start syncing them together. All right, so that's a quick tip. Sure, it sounds good. You can compare it to the Lav Mic Go. That's on my DSLR. Be the judge to see if you like it. I like it because I have a Sony a6000 also that has no microphone input, so I could be using this guy instead of using my Sony without having bad audio quality. Hey guys, thank you for sticking around to the end of the video. I'm sure you noticed my new intro and my new outro. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the description down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.